Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for the day, for the dark days. Let's get right into the charts. All right, so the bull flag here fell out of its positioning. And yeah, if this 94 level here, which has been lost briefly here on the 90-minute chart, if that can't hold up, then you know, that's like we've been talking about for a little while now. That 94K doesn't hold up as support, then we're gonna have some troubles, and we're gonna see some lower price levels for Bitcoin here. But as it stands, we are seeing it kind of holding up. If we go to some lower time frames from the 90 even, we'll see on the 22-minute, we are seeing the RSI and the stochastics starting to turn around and pushing upwards. Same thing here on the 5-minute. Yeah, pushing upwards, possibly signaling a V-shaped recovery for us. The 1 minute's actually even broken up over its 200 MA here. That's a sign that the reversal might be coming, because look, on this entire downtrend that we've seen today, right? Like it got down under the 200 here, and it stayed under the 200 here that entire time that it's been going down today, this morning. But now it's finally back up over the 200, so possibly here comes a reversal. Back to the 90-minute chart, we are seeing a possible bullish div here. Let's see, draw it out for you. So the bullish div would be here on the RSI, pulling in higher or flat bottoms here. Got you there and you there. But yeah, you see these flat bottoms here on RSI, and you couple that with the bottom here, with the bottoms going down here on price action. So we're seeing divergence here between the price action showing lower lows and the RSI showing flat low. Now, with what that indicates is that a possible reversal pattern. So let's watch and see. We also see that the is it? Yeah, I mean, there's also kind of a bearish div here too, with these two highs being even. Well, the highs here on price also went down. So that would be a hidden bullish or bearish div, with the highs being flat on RSI and them diverting here on the price action and putting in lower highs. That's a hidden bullish or hidden bearish div. And kind of cancels out that bearish div there. So we're seeing a bearish and a bullish div, so we'll just cancel them out, because can't say that one is showing more than the other when they're both there. So let's watch and see what happens. Hopefully this 94K level can hold, but if not, then we're going to be watching for this bear flag on the 6-hour chart to play out all the way down to about 85K. The number we've been talking about for a while. And yeah, if a move down to 85K did occur, well, that would mean that we, you know, are falling out of this bull flag here on the daily chart. Bring that up a little bit. We'll be falling out of the bull flag here on the daily chart. The as you can see, we're just basically right at the levels where we would have to start adjusting this bull flag if it got any lower. So this is an important level, key level right here, 94K. We need to see it hold. Otherwise, we're looking at 85 for possible downsides. 85 downside would be about, you know, it would be here. It wouldn't quite reach that 618 on the fib, but it would be way down there. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we just candlestick these wicks and then come back up. But 85 is on the table with this bear flag there. Now we are back up over 94. in the with the price action here on the 90-minute chart. That means that the daily still, you know, having 4 hours and 4 minutes and 40 seconds to go in the day. If the day can close over that 94, hey, that's great. If it closes under, well, then it still hasn't flipped it. Tomorrow it would open under, and if we opened and closed tomorrow under that 94K level, that would flip that 94 from support to resistance. That would be a bad sign. Now, what would that lead to? Probably leading us down to candlesticking these wicks, and then a possible another reversal back up. So if we lose 94, I'm going to say we're going to head down to 89 before we see any kind of real reversal. That is if we don't reverse from here. Pop back up, you know, 97, try to get back up over the top side of this bull flag on the 90-minute chart. Possibly. Let's see if it can happen. We are seeing oversold territory for the Stokes on all the time frames, on the 3 that we look at least. And yeah, so oversold there. So possibly we'll see a reversal out of those territories. If that can happen, then hey, let's see that, you know, let's see this reversal happening, and hopefully we bust up out of there. And, you know, this bear flag never actually hits. I'm going to put the pole back over here for now, and we're going to adjust the bear flag just a little bit. I mean, that one, we'll leave that one. That one's been breached, so we'll turn that red. Oops, didn't mean to delete that. I meant to turn it red to indicate that it has been breached to the downside. Red. All right, so that's now a resistance for us. And if this bear flag plays out, like I was saying, we're looking at a play out down to about 85, a little bit under actually. But again, with these candlesticks here, they would give us a nice spot to also, you know, reverse back out down here at 89 with these naked wicks down there. But yeah, let's move this fib retracement over a bit. You'll see that we're falling out of the fib retracement for that bull flag there. And if we keep going lower, if we actually flip that 94, well then hey, this bull flag is kind of pretty much invalidated once we get a little bit lower. Even I would say if we get C93 break, then we're going to say that this bull flag on the 6-hour time frame is invalidated. Same deal here. If we see 93 break, this bull flag on the 90-minute chart is invalidated, and then all we're left with is this bear flag and this bull flag on the daily chart. We'll see how things go. Dark days ahead, possibly down to 89. Possibly could reverse from here, but if we do, we got some resistance here at 97 that we got to break through. And then we got to get up and over that 99.6 resistance now. First challenge would be the SAR. If we can see break back up over 96.747, that would be that would flip the SAR here, a stop and reverse, flip it to bullish. See, it's bearish when it's over the price, it's bullish when it's under the price, and kind of tells you where you should set a stop loss and a reversal. So like, let's say we were going short right now, we would set a stop loss at 96.747 and go from there. You know, set a take profit down at 89 and set that. If you guys want, I can make a video about day trading, how to demo day trade like futures. There's a platform I found that has that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make that video for you guys in the next day or so, just to show you how to demo trade. All right, nothing really else to say. Downside down to 89 possible, maybe a stop here at 91.5, but most likely we're going to see both these wicks get candlestick down here to 89K, which means we'll have to adjust our thing. But again, it could get candlesticked here. Well, no, because they're on the daily too, so we're going to want to see them candlesticked on the daily. And honestly, even if this big one gets only partially candlesticked, we'll say it got candlesticked. If it can get down to like 91, it'll hit all three of them. Even 91.5, it'll hit all three of these naked wicks. Although this one kind of already has been candlesticked. Yep, this is the one that's left, and this one. So yeah, 89, if not a reversal, bouncing off 94, which we've seen happen before here and here. Well, here it went a little lower. Here it went a little lower too, but basically off that 94. Here it did it. Here it did it. But if we can see that, then great. Great, great, great. If not, well, we're screwed. We're so screwed. So screwed. Hope you've been taking profit. Thank you so much for watching. Music provided by Veloa, Luminist, and Sax Squatch. Much love. See you later.